What is up, my lovely people in YouTube land? So in today's video, guys, I would like to draw y'all an art supply called the spray can. So I've never really messed around too much with this art supply, and I think the first time I ever got my hands on a spray can was in my dad's garage, and there was a can that was just lying around that was, I think, maybe half done, and I just kind of sprayed the hood of a car that had been changed out, and I enjoyed it at the time because of the fact that it had, like, you know, that nice kind of like that feel, and I liked how the paint would not be something that you can compare to doing an acrylic piece or like a watercolor piece, but the look and feel of that spray paint is just something very unique. Now, there is a famous artist or YouTuber on YouTube that I follow who goes by the name 1000, and I think when I watched one of his first ever videos, it was a mural video, and it's just amazing the amount of colors and the amount of detail that he uses or gets when he uses these spray paints. And maybe at some point I might try something like this when I do an art project. I mean, I've never really used it, as I said, too much, but what I think is really cool is in the one of the videos that I did watch of his is where he turned this art supply into a piece of art. So basically what he did was he had a bunch of these scans just lying around his house, and he just kind of primed them and just freehanded them, like, you know, drew different characters on them. So what's cool about him is, and I really like DIY projects like this where if you have different art supplies, whether it be a spray can or whether it might be a cardboard box or maybe an MDF board, and to turn something like that into a piece of art is always unique. Spray paint, I think, is cool in the aspect is once you learn how the technique works and you're able to figure out the colors and how they blend, it's really beautiful to see what kind of art you can achieve with this. I mean, I'm following some account on Instagram, which is, I think it's called All Caps, and all they do is they feature artists that do spray paint work. And in one of his videos, which is 1000, he had featured this European tour where he had got a chance to spray paint different walls, and it's kind of cool to see the artwork come to life. I mean, for me, I've always drawn with my favorite ballpoint pencils, and now in the last few years I've started doing digital art. But these traditional art supplies like the spray can and the paintbrush, I think these are always supplies that will always have that nice, beautiful, unique look to them. So it's always cool to experiment and see what you can come up with. I think in one of his videos he had done a stencil piece which was really cool, where he used a MDF board and had it masked off and then used the spray paint to get this nice gradient look, which it always does get. But then once he took off the actual stencil, it was kind of cool to see the actual pattern that was left behind on the board. So it kind of gave this background, not just like your traditional paint look, but it gave it this nice spray painted look. But yeah, so I don't know what else I was gonna say. Sometimes I just lose my trail of thought while I'm talking to you guys and making these videos, and then sometimes, I mean, I can just ramble on and just keep on and on and on going. But yeah, coming back to what I was saying is, I mean, this art supply is definitely a fun art supply to work with, and if you get the chance to work with it, I mean, definitely give it a try and see how you like it, because I definitely liked it when I tried it for the first time, and hopefully I might be able to get to work with this supply at some time in the future. So hope you guys enjoyed following along and drawing, and I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.